Ms. Munoz here with Nomenclature Review Level 3. And we've got polyatomic ions this time. So this is same as Level 2, except now we're going to use our polyatomic ion chart, and we may need parentheses. So you will see like barium. Barium is an element. So that one is from the regular polyatomic ion chart, Ba+2. But dichromate and ammonium and oxalate, they all come from your polyatomic ion sheet. So dichromate has a prefix, but it just happens to be part of its name, its polyatomic ion name. It is still ionic, even though it has a prefix. So Cr2O7, -2 charge. And the rules say keep all symbols. So I am going to keep everything in that symbol row. BaCr2O7. The next rule says if they are balanced, you are done. +2, -2 balances. So this one is finished just the way it is. Next one, ammonium oxalate. Ammonium is the only positive polyatomic ion that we will use. So this one is going to have two polyatomic ions. NH4 is our positive one, and C2O4 is oxalate. That's our negative one. First rule that we're going to do, we're going to keep everything in the symbol row exactly as is. I'm not going to change or lose anything. So NH4, C2O4. Next, I'm going to apply my balancing rule. These are not even, +1, -2. They do not cancel out. So +1, nothing's going to happen with that because it's a 1. But I am going to take this 2 and I'm going to cross it over to NH4. But before I cross that over, I'm going to put parentheses around NH4 first and then add my 2. So that is that's what you do with polyatomic ions. All right, now we're going to do copper 2 phosphite. Copper 2 has two choices, or copper has two choices, and we want to pick the one that has a 2 with it. So that one is going to be +2. Roman numeral 2, II stands for +2. Phosphite. This one's a little confusing because there is a 3 with the symbol, and there's also a charge of -3. So first rule, keep everything in the symbols. So I got my Cu and my PO3, and these do not cancel out. So I am going to cross over the 2, and I'm going to cross over the 3. So this 3 is going to go here. And before I cross over this 2, I'm going to put parentheses around PO3, and then I'm going to add my 2 outside of the parentheses. And my last one, I've got lead-4 nitrite. Make sure you watch ite and ate. Very easy to get those mixed up. So lead-4, Pb. IV stands for 4. So I'm going to pick the +4 charge, this one here at the bottom. Nitrite is NO2. Charge is -1. Make sure you keep the 2 and the 1 and the charge -1 separate. I'm going to do Pb and NO2. Keep all of my symbols and subscripts just the way they are. And I'm going to cross over this 4. And before I cross over that 4, I'm going to put parentheses around it and then add my 4. And that is it for level 3.